Let us all together say Happy Queen! Happy Queen! Happy Queen!
Good morning guys. Tabok tirok tukuk jugal jak. Good morning ya. Saring ni tabok tinta sar tinta rok bade onai tong. Okay. Tini jugal jak. Tini 21 tarik. Oro Hyderabad o. Tini kayaknya behi aro thang ni bongi jugal tong. Tak thang ya tabok pun tirok tukuk naka. Sari yo tu wan ki kisah kesang ni. Tabok ki metro station sok jak. Thang metro ba. Metro thang rala kaisa tabok chini te sharha tu sok ni che thang ni sok phai lekha stadium o chim ro se stong le stadium chiba aron tini chole nai program chini bolong te aro thang tong bai bu yang ke mosanai party rok pa aro wa tu wa pha mung sa sija ya Sini singar aku sok aja. Rehearsal jalan tunggu. Sini dancer rock.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool.
Masak hai. Hai. Dago nang kong nang su ro ko tong ko không mo thorok mia sa ke tong le
ai về nó kì không mày chúng đi tụng đâu đấy giờ này đạp phụ
mia sa ke sib le
mà nó chỉ đi nó mo cái sa bung rồi kalau đi
Borok ready like tong borok state ni masam ko ni government masih lagi mai cawan di lain sudah rasa boleh harus customer kita channel mo tetem mai masa wale tarat ni me ko ha dia sukti
for our honorable governor.
Oro tau dia oro
Thank you for the trouble. So the first row will be reserved for the governor and this team. Thank you.
Wah,
cắt thì rốt nặng đây mình chụp ta chỉ khác đấy thằng mà liền phá họ lên từ chỉ thằng mà đặt lên
ang smart sih kak cina.
I stand before you to dwell into the fascinating history of the Tripura era, a unique and significant period in the annals of time. The Tripura era is also known as Trim, which is a historical calendar system that was used in the erstwhile princely state of Tripura, now a part of India, very proudly. Let me now talk about the origin of Trim. The Tripura era traces its roots back to the year 590 CE during the reign of Maharaja Jajurufa or Hamtorfa, who is believed to have introduced this calendar system. Fa means father, and that's how the king were addressed by the people in those days. Named after his ancestor Tripur, the era became an integral part of the kingdom's identity, used in official documents, land records, coinage, and even personal correspondence. At that time, Tripura was still an independent and sovereign kingdom, though today we are proudly an integral part of the democracy of India. It was a day of victory of the king over Murshidabad's king. The Tripura era, or the calendar, is a unique calendar system. It is unique. The Tripura era is distinct from other Indian calendar systems, such as the Vikrama Samvat or the Satta era. It is based on a luni-solar calendar, aligning the lunar months with
Happy Tiring Joktono, Happy Tiring.
Emerson, rise up. Joktono pasangannya. Let us all together say Happy Queen. Happy Queen. Happy Queen.
Thank you, Fadi. Very romantic. Rumong tang.
Guys, ayo naik dong ah. Kamu nggak patar mah baru bising ke korang kebang main. Background uno kebang music naik kok sama ya hanya bang orang pai makan saya. Orang keri baik asap.
Thank you, Hambai Jotono.
Soba pala.
Orang sini pada baca, har kaham ni ya punggung sini.
Sara lai sini.
Jen, lah boleh stesen kaya ni doang aku jadi.
Gua mau suruh dong. Ada pun saya makan dia. Apa ungkes soba pai soba lah. Soba pai dari thang lai tu ha. Ang tinta वो फाइल है वैसे मैं तो सोले चाहूँगा वो खाइजा बोले सिंगार रागो मने त्रिपुरानी ini सिंगार न बोवा yang tolak तो metro naising tongnya nang buya cang mana kau lewat mana stadium tak sih pah ke nuk sih abang ke metro station no, orang 30 minit aku orang mana asing hamle, abang ke thang tunggu, lift, bakal live view naik, omok hinde, khai naik ho,
hello guys, jumpa wo, apsi gora tangan ini naik tunggu, YouTube kanan jadi dengan lagi.
Karena orang tua lama sensible.
Mungkin lebih aja.
Taksi, hati sajak tangan kena.
Opening.
Open. Ơi. À, tax thang quay ko. Ông phía one is not there. Guys, phải khen nữa rồi có phải mình đi. Abu dostas bade tiang tax si sasibu. Video ro pa rumah ya, phải khen mar ko phải cái lah len ha hi, ya kong ro wai wai ha. Okay guys, video na sa kin pa dai na. Rồi nãy trong đi hai khai tê của ketal video ang khai vi nung nai hi. Tin bang asun na, tin bang asun kan pada sini. Jatuh menghambai lazar nai men bang. Teh happy tiring.